My name is Marc Garcia and I'm the Girona City Council's CISO. Girona is a city that is located at the northeast of Catalonia, 100 kilometers north from Barcelona, 30 kilometers from Costa Brava. Girona is a city with more than 100,000 inhabitants, and the Girona City Council is the government municipality of the city. Yeah. Back on 2020, we had several needs to provide optimal communication solutions for several smart city projects, and we needed to design a new network. This new network, to deploy smart city services in a proper way, should allow us to give lots of different connectivity possibilities. Also, it should be scalable, also it should be secure, and finally it should be easy to manage. For us, the main challenges that we found during the design of this solution were the number of devices that we should deploy and the different types of connectivity. Also, we wanted an easier way to manage all this complexity. It should be secure, it should be scalable, and give us visibility of what's happening in this environment. We chose the Huawei solution first because they won the public tender of Girona City Council. Also because Huawei offered us the optimal solution at a realistic cost. This doesn't mean cheap. It means that other vendors try to do tricky things to fit with our needs, offering extra boxes or extra licenses. With the Huawei proposal, they fit very natural with our needs. Also, because Huawei has a large portfolio that gives us the confidence to grow and to face whatever projects that can come. And finally, thanks to the priceless engagement from the regional team from Barcelona, the Huawei regional team, and also for the partner network, Batcom networks. Nowadays, we are still stabilizing and learning the new Huawei solution that we have, and we plan to evolve connecting more sites using SD-WAN technologies, also extending the internal Wi-Fi using Wi-Fi 7. We are evolving on manage all this complexity through the APIs and some automatations. And at the end, we want to learn more and see where we can evolve with all the information that the Huawei environment is giving us thanks to the Campus iMaster.